As always, this detailed review is brought to you by BrainyBuyer.com. Shop smarter, be a brainy buyer.
Hey, I'm looking at these two Charbroil grills, the Classic Series 2-burner and the Pro Series 2-burner with amplifier. What do you think?
Oh yeah, I've seen those. The Classic is definitely the more budget-friendly option at $139.
Right, but the Pro Series is $449. What's the big difference?
Well, the Pro Series is a lot more versatile. It's got that modular cooking system, so you can switch to a griddle or even use charcoal with a separate tray. The Classic is just a basic propane grill with porcelain-coated wire grates.
Interesting. What about size? I don't have a huge patio.
The Classic has 280 square inches of cooking space, while the Pro Series has 325, plus a 111 square inch warming rack. It's a bit bigger, but not massively so. The dimensions are pretty close, though the Pro Series is taller.
Okay, so a little bigger. Anything else jump out at you?
The Pro Series uses Char-Broil's amplifier infrared cooking system, which is supposed to cook food juicier and prevent flare-ups. And it has a 10-year warranty on the burners. The Classic only has a 5-year warranty on the burners.
Oh, that sounds good. The Classic just mentions porcelain-coated grates for fast warm-up. What about a side burner? I like to make sauces while I grill.
The Classic does have a side burner. The Pro Series doesn't, but it does have a fold-down side shelf for extra space.
Okay, so the Classic wins on the side burner. What about build quality? The Pro Series weighs a ton.
Yeah, the Pro Series is much heavier, like 151 pounds compared to the Classic's 37.5. It has an enclosed cabinet and heavy-duty casters, so it's built to last. The Classic is more lightweight, and the reviews mention it can take some time to assemble.
So, the Pro Series is heavier, more versatile, and has a better cooking system, but it's way more expensive. The Classic is simpler, cheaper, and has a side burner.
Exactly. It really depends on what you're looking for. If you just want a basic grill for burgers and hot dogs, the Classic is a great value. But if you want more features and versatility, the Pro Series might be worth the investment.
Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.